How to buy loaded lions token. So this token came under the symbol of lion. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on KUCOIN. To be able to buy this token, click on MEXC here, as you can see, and select the VVS Finance exchange. Now click on this pair next to it. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds. Now, as you can see here, click on trade on VVS Finance. So they will redirect you to VVS Finance page. Now, after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, just connect your wallet from here, as you can see. So select your wallet from here. I will select the MetaMask. So I will just log it to my wallet from here. Now, as you can see, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, just select the token from here, as you can see, that you want to buy with, for example, Crow, and make sure that you have enough Crow on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much receive, as you can see, and after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a lion token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.